Come here. Ash, come here. Come on, Ash. Come on, Ash. That's Ash. He's a chow chow. How much you paid for him? $80. Amy, David. No, this is for California.
California?
Huh? Yeah, we're going to San Francisco.
Yeah.
Come here. Come on, boy. He's got his mouth open. He does look cute. Where's it?
Okay.
No. Okay.
Want to open your hot sauce? Oh, no, there's not.
My brother's gonna look at this and say, "Well, which one's
Who's that beautiful girl?
which one's the girl?" No.
Boy.
Now, say to the camera what tribe you belong to. Say again, please. Pima.
Gulf River?
Mm.
Yeah. SRPMIT. I really want to show your brother this.
Hmm?